Hey, my post for today is looking at ideas for content. People call and always are asking, what do I do? What do I post? What do I use for my content for affiliate marketing? And I have written down some ideas. You could use the tools you use, things you do to learn, books you've read, the SG4G formula, ways to stay in shape, your story. Tell your story about affiliate marketing. Read other people's emails that you know and look for what they do and modify it to help your content and use it. And then to join groups and post in those groups. And you'll get questions asked and answer those questions. So those are just a few of the ideas that I had to get content.